It's a disgustingly rainy day here today in Sydney, and I am on my way at the moment to the Precision Racing workshop to get a bit of an update on how we're going with car preparation for Cootamundra 2021. We have the Motive DVD drag battle that's held down there at Cootamundra Airport. Stay tuned. What's left on Khan's car?
Not much, to be honest. Just some fuel pump wiring, install the ECU, couple of little lines here and there.
But overall pretty much ready to go.
Almost there, yes.
So dyno next week? Potentially?
Very, very much so, yes.
Wow. Okay,
I'd
well
say
that's...
Monday afternoon.
That one's good.
Yeah.
That'll be nice. Bit of testing before Cooter.
We did it, and we didn't cut it too short this time.
That's good. What additionals are being wired?
We're wiring in the secondary injectors, and we're also going to put in some engine protection, oil pressure, fuel pressure, air temp, all this sort of very general stuff these days, you know.
General for PR.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Not general, in general.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's exactly right.
What sort of power does a PR16 make?
It can make anywhere from 1550 to 1650. So, bearings, it's gone,
Fast.
Very fast. Very fast.
Yeah.
1200 horsepower is fast.
Yeah, so this should be an 8-second car.
Well, we're aiming for 7s in the street car.
7s.
Yeah.
7-second street car. Well, we've done that before. So this is not something new for PR. Just another one. Another one. Another one that's getting done for Cootamundra is this grey Lamborghini Huracan. Aaron's upstairs at the moment building the engine. Just came back from the machine shop yesterday. So we'll head up and see where he's at in the build process. So Lambo parts are back.
They sure are. They'll come back Friday afternoon. So we're going to work Saturday, Sunday to get the engine together. We've got 2 weeks.
And this is for the grey car.
This is for the grey Huracan.
So obviously because Lambos came out non-turbo, you have to add turbo drains for them to function. So obviously what you're doing now is drilling the port to weld the AN fitting on for the turbo drain.
Right.
It's obviously a step that has to be done prior to install because there's no point drilling shavings into.
Yeah.
So in terms of what needs to be done for grey Lambo, what else is required?
So build engine, turbo kit's half done, wiring loom's done. I guess put it all together and tuning.
Tuning. So most of it's already accounted for, really. Just needs assembly.
Yeah. Now we're just getting putting in the main bearings. Then we'll put the crankshaft in, main studs, the girdle and torque her up.
So this whole engine build process, how long do you expect it to take?
Around 3 days, 2 to 3 days for the Lambo engine. We're not in a rush.
Yeah, we're not in a rush. Cootamundra's only 3 weeks away.
We can't rush these things.
If one part of it wasn't going to be rushed, you don't rush this part then.
Correct.
Like, we're not in a rush, Ricky.
I'm in a bit of a rush.
All right, so from now until next weekend, what is the plan? Grey Lambo.
Engine needs to be assembled, installed. Turbo kit installed. Finish off fabrication.
Yep. Khan's car. White R35.
Yeah, final finish and tune.
So next week, maybe next weekend on the dyno?
Nah, finished.
Finished next
Tuesday
week. Wow. Okay, so next weekend we'll see it done.
Yeah.
Your green Lambo ready to go?
Hopefully.
Yep. Just a bit of refinement.
Bits and
Oh, trans.
Yeah.
Okay.
Back in and should be right.
F45 ready to go?
Yeah, I haven't seen that car for a bit.
Yep.
That should be right.
Any others?
What's this going? Regan.
Regan.
Yeah,
So Regan's car will be back here next weekend or not yet?
I think
It doesn't need a whole lot.
doesn't need a whole lot. No, he's getting some interior bits done after we've fabricated the cage.